Hey there! Today, we're diving into a common problem many people face when dealing with data tables. Picture this. You have a table filled with various values and categories, and need to calculate the total sum for each category and display it neatly. Sounds like a typical problem, right? So, let's talk about the solution. One handy technique you can use is the let function. This nifty function allows you to define variables within a formula, making complex calculations much simpler. In the provided code snippet, we start by creating two variables: fruits, which stores all unique fruit types from the table, and sales, which calculates the total sales for each fruit type using sumifs. By combining these variables with the text join function, we can neatly display each fruit category alongside its total sales. Now, let's take it a step further with a more customized approach. By incorporating the filter function into the mix, you can filter the list of fruit types based on specific criteria, such as a particular seller. This modification allows for a more targeted summary, showcasing only the relevant fruit categories and their respective sales figures associated with a specific seller. But wait, there's more. To generate a comprehensive summary table, you can leverage the hstack and vstack functions. These functions enable you to stack the fruit types and their total sales vertically, and then combine them horizontally, creating a structured summary that neatly displays each fruit category with its corresponding total sales value. In summary, using the let function in combination with other Excel functions like sumifs, text join, filter, hstack, and vstack provides a powerful toolkit for effectively summarizing and presenting data from complex tables. So, next time you're faced with a similar data crunching challenge, remember to harness the power of these functions for a seamless solution. Well, that's a wrap for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and drop a comment below. Until next time, happy Excelling!